My Country, a translated version of Hiren Bhattacharya's More Desh, translated by Dr. Ranjana Bhattacharya. My country. My country is the heart of my hearts, the song of my songs. My every walk, my every thought builds in this country's gift, a future dream of golden green. In the spirit of my life, in the verb of my youth, that dream vibrates. There are countries within countries. Around each such country's different corners, I have traveled. Holding hands of many of friends, I have walked. Sometime at the sea beach, sometime under the date palm tree, or sometime at the down hills I have rested a while. With friends, I have conversed with an open heart. Again I have started my new move. At many such journeys end, it's my country again, my country, whose warmth of heart has given me the pleasure of love, the affluence of youth, a new meaning of life. These countries every morning brings me innumerable resources of affluence. Each evening brings me the aroma of fresh flowers. Each season blesses me with a new kind of life. For my land, I am keeping alive. To live for my land, I have vowed myself. Amidst all the classes of people, I am here being the unity in diversity and a probable solidarity among all oppositions. In my life and death, sleep and dream, I have heard my country's call. I have come to know all friends and foes. I have owned their hearts with trust. I have given the pair of peace buds a palmful rice from treasury to eat, a soulful song of heart to sing. And now I have nothing more to give. My country, the roaring tides of wavy dreams take me along to the depth from the depths, to the solid mountain root of my conviction. My country.